one sweet girl. Not only you, girl. Like MJ, rock my world.
Hi, so welcome back to my channel. My name is African Jewel. But you guys already know that anytime I have an Igbo lesson, I have to introduce myself the right way. No, I'm African Jewel. If this is your first time on my channel, make sure you hit that subscription button. Give this video a thumbs up because we have Igbo classes for you guys every single week. Every week. Consistently every single week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, I'm dropping videos on here, so make sure you join the family members. So today is another Igbo classes, common phrases that we use in our everyday life. Let's get right into today's video. First phrase we're saying today is, if you want to ask someone, do you speak English or Igbo? So if you want to ask someone, do you speak Igbo or do you speak English? How do you translate that in Igbo? In Igbo, you say, "Enaso bekee." Bekee is English. Or "Enaso Igbo." Yeah? Oh yeah, let's say that again. Enaso bekee or Oyibo. Enaso Oyibo. You can also use that as an English. That can also mean English. Or Enaso Igbo. That means, do you speak English or do you speak Igbo? Let's say that again. Enaso bekee or Enaso Igbo or Enaso French, whichever one that you want to. Just replace the language that you want to say with English, Igbo, or whatever it is. That's how you ask someone, do you speak English or Igbo? Let's move on to our next phrase for today. If someone asks you, do you speak English or Igbo? You want to reply them, yes, a little. So if you speak Igbo, small, or you speak English, small, so you say yes, a little. How do you reply that in Igbo? It say a na masu obele Igbo. Say it really slowly. A na masu obele Igbo or a na masu obele bekee. That means yes, I speak little Igbo or I speak little English. Let's say that together. A na masu obele Igbo or / bekee. Say it faster. Ana masu obele Igbo or ana masu obele bekee. That's how you say yes, I speak a little Igbo or I speak a little English. Let's go on to our next phrase. Okay, so how do you say please? Say that again. You didn't hear what someone is saying and you want to ask them to please say that again. How do you translate that in Igbo? In Igbo, you simply say Biko, kwuo ozo. Let's say it slowly. Biko, kwuo ozo. A bit faster. Biko, kwuo ozo. Slower. Biko, that means please. Kwuo ozo, that means say that again. Let's say it one more time. Biko, kwuo ozo. Say one last time. Biko, kwuo ozo. That's how you tell someone to please say that again in Igbo. Let's go on to our next phrase, guys. So you want to ask someone to please speak slowly. You know the times when I speak faster, I speak fast. I naturally speak fast. And you want to tell me to please speak slowly. So give me a for here. How do you say please speak more slowly in Igbo? You say Biko, jiri, nwayo, okwu. Yeah, let's say it again. Biko, jiri, nwayo, okwu. Let's say it again. Biko, jiri, nwayo, okwu. Faster. Biko, jiri, nwayo, okwu. That means please speak more slowly. Let's go on to our next phrase. So you want to tell someone to speak to you in Igbo. Maybe you meet an Igbo friend or you want to practice your Igbo. How do you say speak to me in Igbo? How do you say that in Igbo? You say swolom Igbo. Let's say that again. Swolom or swolom Igbo. Let's say it faster. Swolom Igbo. Faster. Swolom Igbo. Say it again. Swolom Igbo. Slower. Swolom Igbo. Swolom Igbo. That is how you tell someone to speak to you in Igbo. Let's go on to our next phrase, guys. Okay, so you want to ask someone, how do you say dash in Igbo? Maybe you want to say something in Igbo, you want to literally ask them, how do you say dash in Igbo? In Igbo, you simply say, kedu ka esi ekwu dash na asusu Igbo. That's, you want to ask someone to say something in Igbo for you. How do you say that in Igbo? That is, you say, kedu ka esi ekwu dash na asusu Igbo. Say with me. Kedu ka esi ekwu, maybe cup na asusu Igbo. Kedu ka esi ekwu cup na asusu Igbo. Yeah? Let's say it again. Slower. Kedu ka esi ekwu cup na asusu Igbo. Replace cup with anything, and then that's how you ask someone, how do you say this in Igbo? Yeah? Let's go on to our next phrase. So you want to say, I understand. I understand. How do you say I understand in Igbo? In Igbo, you simply say, Aghotaro. Aghotaro. Say it. Aghotaro. Aghotaro. That means I understand. If someone asks you, do you understand what I said? You say Aghotaro. That means I understand. So say it one more time. Aghotaro. One more time. Aghotaro. That means I understand. Let's go on to our next phrase. Sometimes you might not understand and you want to say I do not understand. How do you say I do not understand in Igbo? In Igbo, you say Aghotaro. I know this is so confusing sometimes. Aghotaro means I understand. Aghotaro means I don't understand. Aghotaro. Say it one more time. Aghotaro. One more time. Come on. Aghotaro. That means I don't understand. So if someone is trying to say something to you and you don't understand it, say Aghotaro. That means I don't understand. Aghotaro means I understand. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So that's, you can pause this video. Remember, pause this video anywhere and repeat this word till you understand this. Aghotaro means I understand. Aghotaro means I don't understand. So let's go on to our last phrase for today. So you want to say, tell someone, I don't know in Igbo. They ask you something and you do not know. How do you say I don't know in Igbo? In Igbo, you say Amaro. So do you know where that cup is? Amaro means I don't know. Let's say it slowly. Amaro. Slowly. Amaro. Come on, slowly. One more time. Amaro. One last time. Come on, say me. Amaro. That means I don't know. So if you're going somewhere or someone asks you for direction in Igbo or in a language you don't understand and you just say Amaro, that means I don't know and I can't help you. If I don't know something, I can't help you. So Amaro means I don't know in Igbo. Alright, that's all we have for today's phrases. Thank you guys so much. Thank you so much. Remember, if you have any common phrase that you want to learn how to say in Igbo, drop it in the comment section and I will prepare in my little Igbo notes here and get it ready for you in our next class. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you did like it and hit that subscription button, guys, and hit that notification bell, yeah, so that you'll be notified every single time I post. I post Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays. So there's a schedule. We are here to give you back-to-back content. Thank you guys so much and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye guys.